Success is not easily attained. It demands determination, hard work, and resilience. However, there is hope. Every success story offers valuable lessons. In this video, we explore the strategies employed by successful individuals. Prepare to uncover the keys to wealth and move beyond relying on luck. Building wealth is a systematic process, and I'll guide you through it. If you're committed to achieving financial success, watch this video daily until you've mastered these 10 steps. Each step is crucial, but step number 10 is especially intriguing. Once you implement it, you'll see immediate results. Don't skip it. Save this video to your wealth playlist and, if you want to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and helps the channel immensely. Now, grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. 1. Change your mindset about money. According to Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the key to wealth lies in your mindset. He contends that getting rich starts with thinking rich. His rich dad always sought opportunities, while his poor dad focused on limitations. So step 1 is to change your money mindset. Having the right mindset means setting clear goals and staying motivated to achieve them. No obstacle will stop you because you're driven. However, if you cling to a poor mindset, you'll continue making poor financial choices regardless of how much you earn. It's like money slipping through your fingers. Take a cue from the wealthy. They are relentless in reaching their goals. Aim for that level of determination. By being disciplined and shifting your mindset, you'll unlock your potential for wealth. It's all about adopting the mindset of success. 2. Be your own boss. Embrace the potential of being your own boss. Many fear the challenges of entrepreneurship, likening it to heartbreak. I vividly recall my own heartbreak and wouldn't wish anything worse on anyone. However, self-employment offers opportunities for starting your own venture or leveraging your existing skills, be it fishing, sports, or art. To stand out in a crowded market, you must excel in your craft. Dedicate yourself to daily practice, training, and constant improvement. By doing so, you'll distinguish yourself from the competition and become the go-to person in your field. Take inspiration from successful figures like Larry Page or Bill Gates. Study their habits and emulate their lifestyles to reach their level of success or even surpass it. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more topics like this, comment the word "more" so I know. 3. Build multiple streams of income. Have you looked at Elon Musk's investment portfolio lately? Tesla isn't the only company he's invested in. He's affiliated with SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company, among others. This man is one of the richest people in the world, and if you study his investment portfolio, you'll see that he has his hands in many honeypots. This shows that true riches come from diversification and multiple income streams. That job you solely depend on cannot keep you tied down. Consider starting a side hustle in your free time. Start with something small, or go after that big idea that keeps popping up in your head. Utilize your little time to focus on a side hustle. There are also savings accounts that allow you to earn interest right now. A high-yield savings account offers a very nice interest rate. The smartest money move you can make today is multiplying your sources of income. A pro tip is to make your side hustle focus on a single idea, like Elon Musk, who focuses his investments on technology. For example, you could be a part-time personal trainer, sell supplements, sell fitness courses, and even teach people how to cook or make videos on YouTube. When you utilize this step, you'll realize that being rich isn't a far-fetched idea. 4. Live below your means. You might think it's impossible to become rich from nothing with no handouts or support from family or friends. You believe you're doomed to poverty, but that's not the case. If you have a decent job, you already possess the key to riches. You simply must start by living below your means. Save on rent by living with your parents or sharing a house with a roommate. Deny yourself some of the pleasantries of life like designer clothes, dining out, or partying. By doing this, you are safeguarding your financial future. It's a simple step, but many find it very difficult to adhere to. If you struggle here, use some of these tips that I often use to help navigate through it. Write down a monthly budget to work with throughout the month. The tricky part is overspending on grocery shopping, especially when you're feeding growing children. That's why you'd never catch me shopping without a list and a limit. These little everyday practices have allowed me to get ahead financially and move me closer to success. 5. Add value. Whatever you pursue, whether it's a business or career, the biggest key to success is adding value. This trait is common among rich folks. It helps them stay relevant despite changing times and amass wealth. They do this by being valuable and impactful in the services they offer. Imagine a top-notch brain surgeon walking into the best hospital looking for a job. He'll undoubtedly be offered the job and a lot of money because he invested time and finances to learn and master his skills. Those skills offer immense value to those who need them. The point here is that the best foundation you can build for yourself is adding value to your life and others. This way, you can convince people why your services command a high paycheck. 6. Create a plan and follow it. Nothing worthwhile happens without a plan. Things that get measured get improved upon. The details of your plan should include the main goal you're working towards and the routes you'll take to get there. When designing your route, it's important to be flexible. Have at least 1 or 2 extra routes to get to the goal so that you don't give up if you encounter a roadblock. Meticulously plan your finances and have a savings plan and an emergency fund. Be precise about how much income you get per month and where exactly you spend that money. Know how much you have saved and how much debt you are paying. Create a budget and work within it as closely as possible. Taking this step significantly increases your chances of becoming rich. 7. Take a calculated risk. In the quest to make money, there is always risk involved. Whether you're an employee, starting a business, or investing in the stock market, there is some sort of risk. Viewing things from this angle helps you prepare for any outcome. To make money, you have to take a chance on your ideas. However, taking calculated and reasonable risks helps preserve your money. Many have fallen victim to investing their life savings in very risky avenues without stopping to think. Such decisions often end in tears because they are made in haste and with emotion rather than logic. To become rich, you have to be critical in your thinking, examining every possible outcome before venturing into unfamiliar waters. Even better, seek advice from financial planners who can help you navigate loopholes and traps or find lucrative opportunities. 8. Find the right job for you. No one has ever succeeded doing something they hate. It's essential to find something you love and are good at, then find a way to make money from it. It will leave you feeling much more fulfilled, even if it earns you the bare minimum. Do something you're excited about, something that gets you out of bed in the morning. Life is too short to stay stuck in a job you hate. We live in a time when a public school music teacher can become a millionaire because of social media. That's what Rachel Oro, also known as M. Rachel, did to build a reported net worth of $10 million. She started her YouTube channel in 2019. A lot can change in 5 years. If you want to learn, don't procrastinate. Social media stars like M. Rachel, Mr. Beast, Michelle Phan, and Ryan Kaji are all regular people, but they know how to grow their social media and create wealth with it. I can teach you how to grow your YouTube channel and get monetized in 3 months like a pro. If you're interested, send us a message via our email in the description. 9. Invest your money. Living paycheck to paycheck can discourage you from investing. It's hard to pay your bills, so how can you think about investing? But you have to find a way. To create wealth, you need to venture into some investments. You don't have to break the bank to start. You need some of your money working for you. Start small and work your way up the investment ladder. For starters, research investing in the money market, a platform for the risk-averse. Then you can move into the stock market, and before you know it, you'll be investing in real estate and buying company shares. Grab any opportunity to learn about what types of investments are best for you. It's also good to invest in things you have some knowledge of and that interest you. This will give you independence in making investment decisions. Now, but he started very small with those sports. 10. Tax yourself. It's crucial to tax yourself, meaning treat your savings like taxes. Set aside a portion of your income for savings, just like you would for taxes. One effective way to do this is by placing your savings in a separate account, preferably a locked savings account where you can deposit but not easily withdraw. Treat this money as already spent, just like paying taxes. Think of your savings account like a bill you must pay each month. Make it a priority to set aside money for savings before spending on anything else. Consider implementing consequences for not sticking to your savings plan, such as a penalty or denying yourself a treat. I trust you've gained invaluable wisdom from the 10 steps to get rich shared in this video. If you watched the whole video, comment, "I stayed until the end." When I see this comment, I will give you a heart. But hey, the learning doesn't stop here. Drop a comment below and share your biggest takeaway with us. Let's keep the conversation going and learn from each other. And if you're hungry for more mind-blowing content, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on future videos where we'll be dishing out even more golden nuggets of knowledge.